Hey, this is Scott with Spring Hill Fox. Did you know you can start working online for free? I broke down 4 online jobs I think you should start right away. And don't forget to hit the like and the share subscribe button and hit that bell, let YouTube know I'm alive. One would be a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant provides remote, administrative, technical, and creative assistance to clients. As a virtual assistant, you can manage tasks like email management, scheduling appointments, social media management, bookkeeping, data entry, and more. You can find clients through online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Number 2, social media manager. If you're social media savvy, you can help manage social media accounts for businesses and individuals. You can create content engaging with followers and monitor analytics. You can find clients by contacting companies directly or through online jobs. Number 3, content writer. If you have a way with words, you can create content for websites and blogs. You can write about various topics and work with clients worldwide. You can find clients through freelance writing platforms like Conta, Freelance Writing, and ProBlogger. Online tutor. Number 4. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can tutor students online. You can help students with homework, test preparation, general coursework. You can find clients through an online tutoring platform like TutorMe, Clegg, and Skoy. These are just 4 of the many ways you can make money online. So why wait? Start exploring these opportunities and see which works best for you. And I also have links down below to help you find the right job. P.S. I will be coming out with other videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.